No, I'm doing video. You want to dance with him? Lego. Joe got a Lego.
No, actually, he wants the Legos.
You guys want to do high fives?
I can. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, God. Look out for the Lego table. What, you guys can switch sides. Why doesn't you do a low 10 and Michael does a 10 coming to the low? There you go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, Daddy, just put your hands out like this. Like you're serving him a tray. Turn your hands up. There you go. Daddy's going to fall asleep before you do. Are you okay, Joe? Are you hurting your body?
The mattress isn't quite springy enough
For you, but it's good for Michael. Good job, Michael. You want to do some rolls? You want to do a backwards roll? Okay, forwards roll? Yeah! Can you do a backwards roll? You stand up and you cross your chest with your hands, then you sit down and you roll backwards. Maybe Daddy can help you with your legs. There you go. Very good. Excellent. And jump, jump. Nice. You want to do some Kung Fu? Cross block. Yeah. You want to do a snap kick? One leg up. And then snap kick. Yeah. You had it. One and then snap kick. Nice. Should I get a different station? This one's kind of mellow. Do you need more rock and roll? This is Seal. He's mellow. Daddy gives... Yeah, but it's kind of slow. Michael's like, what do I do with myself? Good roll.